Today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this air purifier by HEAPETS. Really like this a lot. It is small, compact, but very powerful. This is going to be good up to about 2,500 square feet. It is not noisy at all. I'm going to answer all the questions you could possibly have about this, what I like about it, and something very important you need to know about this before you consider buying it. But let's just get into how it works. So it's going to come just like this. It's going to be wrapped in plastic. It does have 6 stages of air filtration, which is very nice. Most don't even have that many. We got side handles right over here. It does come with a plug, and this is double-sided. So you can see results very quickly of the filtration, since it's going from both sides. Let's take a close look. I'll show you how to get in here and how to change the filter. But first and foremost, these colors are extremely important. So green means the air is great here. It's assigning a percentage. So down here is 99 to 100%. That means it's great. This will turn yellow if you are 70 to 84%, and anything below that is kind of severe. And you're kind of going to want to see that. So it's kind of nice here, like if I'm sitting across the room and can't read the screen for whatever reason, I can still see that it is green. So that is a nice thing about that. Now, we got a bunch of different features on top here and a bunch of different speeds. So right over here, if you're worried about your pet kind of hitting this, or a kid or whatever, you could lock this. What you're going to do here, it's a nice little reminder. There's a little 3 right over there. So you're going to hold that for 3 seconds. And it's locked. You'll see it's kind of beeping like we can't do anything. To unlock that, we're just going to hit this top piece right over there, and we're good to go again. This does have a timer right over here. So you can see you could do, looks like right over there, and then that's how you can control it, just like that. So you could set different times that you want. So this could go all the way up to 12 hours. It just says 0H. So you can see that. Now, super important, the fan speed. We got 3 different speeds on this and an auto function. I keep this on auto because it correlates to your air. So if your air is good, this is just going to run on low. If the air is bad, it's going to increase the speed. If you wanted the speed to be up for whatever reason, you could easily just change it down here. So you'll see right here, it's saying P2 right over there. We got P3, P4. It has, it goes up to about 25 decibels in sound. So not that bad at all. So just keep that in mind. Now this also has a sleep mode as well, which is really nice. So it will quiet down a little bit, and this screen goes off, so you don't have to see the color or any light or anything like that, which is a really nice feature, because I know sometimes when you sleep, you don't want to see any lights whatsoever. And that's kind of out of sleep mode right now. So that's all of that. Now, to change this filter and get it set up, what we're going to do here is it all operates right here. Super easy to do. We're just going to pull that out just like that. So this comes off fully. If you want it to come off fully, no big deal. And then we're just going to pull that out just like this. So this is exactly what the filter looks like, just like that. And the nice part about this is washable. So this is actually Velcro. So this peels off nice and easy. You could wash that, and then you basically just put it back on, and then you'll simply just put it in here. You don't want to kind of like shove it or anything like that. Just want to push it in just like that, and then you'll simply just put the cover back on really easily. You don't have to worry about anything, and you just want to make sure it's lined up, and you want to snap it in. Make sure they're snapped in on all 4 sides, just like that. So super easy to do that. And then we also have the back side as well. You're gonna wanna make sure for both of these, when you do get this, your filter will be wrapped in plastic. So before you start doing this, you're gonna wanna open the filter up, take that out, unwrap it, and then you will get started. It will kind of run if you don't do that plastic part, but it does kind of say right over here. It does also have it in the directions in this little booklet right over here. This was super easy to set up. Literally just took this out of the box, got it going, and it's been really great. Again, Really easy to use, simple, quiet. I thought it'd be a little bit more noisy, so I'm kind of happy that it wasn't. So if you are looking for a great air purifier that has 4 different settings, you got the auto all the way up to 3 different modes. You got a sleep timer. You got a sleep mode. You could set it up for a 12-hour timer. The filter is easy to take out. It's easy to use. Super portable, super lightweight. You get up to 2,500 square feet with this. So this is great for pretty much anywhere. And it's really nice. You could easily take this with you as well. I think it's just so light, and compact and small, yet powerful. So I like that aspect as well. So if you're looking for a great air purifier, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.